Hey everybody, today we're looking at setting up our digital portfolios. Here's one that I've created that has 8 color-coded class lists and cover pages. At the top of each page are 35 hyperlink tabs for students. Color coding helps me to be better organized, and I can also group students by colors and numbers using this roster. I first start off by sorting out what colors are going to go with each grade level. So with kindergarten, I chose to go with red, grade 1 was orange, grade 2 was yellow, and so on and so forth. So I label each class. I'm going to need, if I have 4 sections of kindergarten, I'll need to make 4 copies of this file and create it for 4 kindergarten classes. And then I'll add my roster with the student's name. So the student's name then corresponds with the number beside it, which I have the tabs at the top hyperlinked to. Next, I can start on each student's own page, adding their name and their photograph. And if you're working on an iPad or another smartphone or mobile device, you can take a photograph and directly import it into the Google slide. Again, I like to make copies of this document for each class so that they all have their own and it's easier for me to navigate. Another thing that I like to do is to add a hyperlink on each of the students' pages so that I can then return to the student roster easily. So here's how to do that. You just click on the yellow arrow and then create a hyperlink back to whatever page your student roster is. Once you've created this hyperlink, you can then copy and paste it onto each of the pages, and it will land in the same spot every time. Once you've finished setting everything up, then you're all good to go and ready to add any kind of text or photos or stickers to these slides. I find it really helpful to download this as a PDF to a note-taking application. Like I use GoodNotes because it makes it easier to annotate using an Apple Pencil. I have Apple products, but yeah, you can use a QR code to easily access the files and add photos and documentation easily from any tablet or smartphone. Yeah, this is such a great tool that I've discovered for maintaining my student portfolios in a digital way. At the end of the year, they have something they can reflect on, as well as if we have student conferences, that's easily accessible. Let me know if you have any questions or comments.